Folks, Jeff here at Global Industrial coming to you with two used 20 horsepower Gardner Denver electric screw air compressors. Each of them comes with an 80 SCFM Hankison air dryer and a desiccant style air dryer. And these two units were pulled from an engineering and testing facility. We have specifications on them after this video in the credits. And there will also be some photos attached. There will be some information in a comment below. If you'd like to reach us, my phone number is 414-305-7292. And the email is jeff@gibuys.com. Here are the air dryers. Two of them standing horizontally there, and we also have air compressor number 1, air compressor number 2. They're both in fantastic shape. Have videos of them both running, starting up and shutting down. Hope to hear from you folks. Have a wonderful day.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Now let's go back to the start.